A warm welcome to one and all present here today to celebrate one of the most solemn occasions of the new academic year, the investiture ceremony. This year has come with its challenges and has pushed us against the wall, but our inner resilience triumphed over all adversities, and here we are participating in a virtual investiture ceremony. At the outset, let me go through the rules for us to adhere by as we participate in this ceremony. Please be on mute throughout, except when specifically requested to unmute. Please keep your cameras switched off at all times. Only the speakers will need to switch on their cameras when they speak. In case of any network issue, please stand by and bear with us. In the words of Vince Lombardi, leaders are made, they are not born. They are made by hard effort, which is the price all of us must pay to achieve any goal that is worthwhile. Our deserving leaders are ready to be invested with the responsibilities of leading their school from the front with their commitment, confidence, and competence. I now request Partha sir to begin today's program by singing the prayer song along with our middle school students.
शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना बुलाने का शुकराना दर पे बिठाने का शुकराना तेरे दर का है शुकराना मेरे का है शुकराना रास्ता सिखाने का शुकराना राह दिखाने का शुकराना अपना बनाने का शुकराना जीना सिखाने का शुकराना मंजिल पर पकड़ कर मंजिल पर पहुंचाने का शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना तेरे एहसास का शुकराना बातिस खास का शुकराना बिगड़ी बनाने का शुकराना पागल बनाने का शुकराना मुझे अपनाने का शुकराना बरसाने का शुकराना गले से लगाने का शुकराना पार लगाने का शुकराना शर्म प्यारी जन्नत है शर्म प्यारी जन्नत है उस जन्नत का शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना शुकराना तेरा शुकराना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे
We would request Sonali ma'am to kindly address the gathering on this momentous occasion.
Thank you, Nandini ma'am. Namaste, everyone. A very warm welcome to our director, Uttara ma'am, and our special guest today, Nirmal ma'am, principal, the Kalyani School, Pune, Neeti ma'am, principal, the Shri Ram Universal School, Hisar, Shilpi ma'am, principal, the Shri Ram Universal School, Ludhiana, Anuradha ma'am, principal, the Shri Ram Millennium School, Gurugram, all our guests from the Shri Educare Limited, Rajinder sir, Sapna ma'am, Sudipta ma'am, the senior management team from across the Shri Ram Millennium School campuses, a very, very warm welcome. We are absolutely delighted to have all of you with us for our first online investiture ceremony. I think the first of many now at the Shri Ram Millennium School, Faridabad, because this year 2020 has really pushed us to try out all these new things. Someone has rightly said, storms draw something out of us that calm seas don't, I unquote. These are uncertain times, and while all around us there is much to be gloomy about and feel despondent, I am glad we all are making the most of this time in this oasis of positivity. Our school is, you will all agree, always so full of hope and dreams of the future, brains ticking away with lessons learned, eagerness to know more, curiosity about the unseen and unknown. All of this and more, driving us to achieve our very best. There is no place for despair in our world, thankfully. All we can see around us are young minds blossoming every minute of each day. And you, dear children, who are about to take up the much coveted position of the Student Council, raring to realize your dreams, as a leader, I would advise you to take a lesson or two from this pandemic. Just as the pandemic stopped us in our tracks and forced us to reorient ourselves, there will be numerous situations in your way ahead. Not everything will go as planned. There will be problems, some of them bigger than you have ever seen before. That, my dear children, is the time to cling on to hope, faith, and determination above all else. Be grateful for every challenge that comes your way, for you will only emerge stronger and wiser from that storm. As you walk forward with dreams driving you to soar, I wish you the very best. God bless you all. Please sit back and enjoy the investiture ceremony. And in case there is a delay, we request you to be patient. Thank you. Over to you, Nandini ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now move on to commence with the investiture ceremony for the academic session 2020-21. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us as the new members of the Student Council are formally invested with their responsibilities. We would at first call upon the outgoing president of the Student Council to say a few words as they hand over the baton to the incumbent team. Jasmeera Kohli and Aditya Bajpai, President Student Council 2019-20, I request you both to please switch on your cameras and unmute yourselves before you speak.
Namaste and a very good morning. I, Aditya Bajpai,
And I, Jasmeera Kohli,
stand here today on behalf of the entire Student Council session 2019-20 to express our gratitude for the immense learning that we have had as a team. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to lead. Not only was being the president of the Student Council a training in life skills for us, we can say for sure that we had a lot of fun. We thoroughly enjoyed the opportunities that came our way, from Founders Day to Teachers Day, and finally, Mad About Music. Our roles taught us to be organized, disciplined, and exuberant. Because if you are a leader, you should possess these qualities if you want your team to be the same.
in these uncertain times when the school and the teachers need as much assistance as they can get, we know that our newly elected heads will certainly provide a helping hand and willingly share the load. We wish the Student Council of the year 2020-21 the very best for all of their future endeavors and hope they excel in every task they take up. It is our proud privilege to hand over the baton to the newly elected school presidents Samarjeet Malik and Sia Sharma and the Student Council for the session 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya and Jasmeera. I now present before you the Student Council for the academic session 2020-21. School President Sia Sharma and Samarjeet Malik. Head of Sports Aaron Johannes. Head of Activity Medha Sood.
Nandini ma'am,
Ji ma'am.
wait for Payal ma'am to share the presentation.
Head of Paryavaran Club Ranshika Rathore. Head of Editorial Board Tanay Nirula. House Captains and Vice Captains Pratigya House Captain Rucha Virmani, Vice Captain Tarushi Dahia. Can we move on to the next slide? Thank you. Pratibha House Captain Rev Ojha, Vice Captain Vedika Gupta. Shaurya House Captain Chehal Daga, Vice Captain Anandita Agarwal. Shakti House Captain Akshat Khanna, Vice Captain Rinda Arora. The badge of office await in all splendor. Banners filled with pride and hope fly high. At the threshold we stand, our hearts filled with faith, determined to learn as we lead while the year goes by. The role of our family members is incomparable as they stand rock solid alongside us throughout our lives. It is a rare occasion and an absolute privilege for us to have the parents of the office bearers initiate them to the journey of duty and responsibility that lies ahead by pinning the badges onto their children. We request the parents to please be ready with the badges for this special moment. Do remember to switch on your camera and microphone as your name is called out to do the honors. We begin with the school president, Sia Sharma and Samarjeet Malik. I request Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, parents of Sia Sharma, and Mr. and Mrs. Malik, parents of Samarjeet Malik, to pin the badges. প্রেশার বন্ধ করে দে, প্রেশার বন্ধ করে দে। Congratulations. Congratulations once again to the President Student Council, Sia Sharma and Samarjeet Malik. Can we unmute ourselves for a moment and put our hands together to applaud? We now move on to the four heads: head of sports, head of activities, head of environment, and head of editorial board. I request Mr. and Mrs. Johannes, parents of Aaron Johannes, Mr. and Mrs. Sood, parents of Medha Sood, Mr. and Mrs. Rathore, parents of Ranshika Rathore, and Mrs. Nirula, parents of Tanay Nirula, to please switch on their camera and do the honors.
Student, can we have you on the screen, please?
Congratulations to Head of Sports, Aaron Johannes, Head of Activities, Medha Sood, Head of Environment, Ranshika Rathore, and Head of Editorial Board, Tanay Nirula. Let us unmute ourselves for a moment and applaud for the dynamic new team Student Council Head. We now move on to the house captains and vice captains. We begin with Pratigya House. I request Mr. and Mrs. Virmani, parents of Rucha Virmani, and Mr. and Mrs. Dahiya, parents of Tarushi Dahiya, to pin the badge on. Congratulations, Rucha Virmani, Captain Pratigya House, Tarushi Dahiya, Vice Captain Pratigya House. We move on to Pratibha House. I request Mr. and Mrs. Ojha and Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, parents of Rev Ojha and Vedika Gupta, to do the honors. Congratulations, Rev Ojha, Captain Pratibha House, and Vedika Gupta, Vice Captain Pratibha House. Now for Shaurya House. I request Mr. and Mrs. Daga, parents of Chehal Daga, and Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal, parents of Anandita Agarwal, to do the honors. Congratulations, Chehal Daga, Captain Shaurya House, Anandita Agarwal, Vice Captain Shaurya House. Moving on to Shakti House. I now request Mrs. Khanna, mother of Akshat Khanna, and Mr. and Mrs. Arora, parents of Brinda Arora, to do the honors. Congratulations to the newly appointed captain and vice captain of Shakti House, Akshat Khanna and Brinda Arora. Thank you, parents. Can we unmute the microphone and give a hearty applause to the newly elected members of the 2021? Thank you, parents. We know that with you by their side, our leaders of the Student Council will forever remain inspired to lead. Your participation in the ceremony today has made it all the more special for us. It is now time for the Student Council to take the oath. The oath of responsibility is a promise, solemn and true. The office undertaken is borne by the brave who can forge their way through, gleaming new badges, beaming wide smiles, hearts filled with keen eagerness to stride on with confidence every mile. I request Sonali ma'am to please administer the oath.
Thank you, Nandini ma'am. Children, can we switch on our cameras? Can everybody switch on their camera, please? Thank you. Let's get ready for the oath. Your right hand on your heart. Please repeat after me. I, an elected member of the Student Council of the Shriram Millennium School, do swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the school and will abide by its rules and regulations. I will uphold and further the values of the school and will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you. Congratulations to each one of you. God bless you. All the very best, children. I'm sure you're going to have a great 2020-21. Thank you. Over to you, Nandini, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. We would now request Uttara ma'am to congratulate the newly appointed team on this special day and share her thoughts on this occasion.
Namaste to everyone. Thank you so much, Nandini and Sonali ma'am. What a wonderful way to have an investiture ceremony. It's strange, no doubt, children, but I think it's even more special because you are with your parents, and who better to give you this badge of responsibility than our Shri Mitra. I think today the three-way handshake has gone to another level where we are together giving our children, investing in them this responsibility to take on the duties of the student council of the Sri Ram Millennium School, Faridabad. And student council members, your responsibility has never been less. The previous student councils of the school have been doing such a great job. But today, your challenges are different. Your challenges are very, very new. And I think that should make it even more interesting. So we are looking forward to see how our new student council takes on these challenges. You know, I can go on and give you lots of lectures on how you should be determined, hardworking, dedicated, disciplined. You know it all. You are Shri children. You are our Shri Ansh. ये सब तो आपको वैसे ही पता है. You know all the values, isn't it, children? So what I want you at this time to really, really think about are two new things, which I feel, though you do know them, I just feel we need to remind ourselves. And the prayer that we sang today morning, Shukrana, that said it all. We have to have a lot of gratitude, even though we are undergoing so many challenges. You know, because whatever said and done, children, we are still very, very blessed. You are part of a beautiful community of people who care for each other, who are there for each other. And as the student council, that is what you need to show your student body, that we can, surpass all these challenges, and we can still have a lot of gratitude for all our blessings. It's very important to have a positive attitude, to keep thinking about things that we are blessed with rather than complaining. And student councils, as leaders, when you set the ball rolling, I think it's like that snowball. Gratitude only keeps growing. So children, please have a lot of gratitude for all your blessings. You have lovely homes, you have lovely parents, you have such fantastic teachers, you have your own friends, you are well, you are healthy. And just pray that this continues, that all the blessings that you have are there with you forever. And I think that is what is very important. Another quality, children, you must have is empathy, right? If you know the meaning, I'm very happy. If you don't, look it up, read it up. I can't explain empathy to you in a small address where I don't want to go on and on. But empathy is when you feel what others feel, when you actually see what they see, you hear what they hear, and you feel from your heart for others as to what is their story. And every human being has a story. So when you are leading, when you are a leader, and today you are a student council leader, tomorrow you will be leaders in the world. And every child here is a leader. It's not only about the elected heads. So all of us, every individual here, in your own way, as you lead, please keep empathy right on top of the qualities that you should have. Because today, when you lead with empathy, I think you're a much better leader, and you should always have, we always talk at Sri Ram School that we want a kindness army. We want children who lead with values. We want children who believe that being good is the only way, right? So children, I'm sure you're going to do all that. It's a different world, like I said. Paint your palette, paint your canvas. You have all the colors with you. We've recently seen double rainbows, especially in Faridabad. So I am very, very happy, and congratulations. Really, way to go. And I'm looking forward to see all the wonderful things you come up with. Many congratulations to the parents of the student council. Your children have really, shown that even in these times they are leaders, and I'm sure they'll do very well in the future also. And parents, please don't worry. And everyone is requested to just keep their mics on mute as we speak because we are audible to each other. And I thank the entire Shri community who's joined us today for this first ever virtual ceremony. Thank you so much. Many congratulations to the entire TSMS Faridabad team. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you, Nandini.
Thank you, ma'am. Our new set of leaders are now ready to share their acceptance speech with us. I request the presidents of the Student Council, Sia Sharma and Samarjit Malik, to address the gathering.
Namaste.
I, Samarjit Malik,
And I, Sia Sharma, are honored to be here today as the elected leaders of the student body. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our teachers and our fellow schoolmates for considering us worthy and electing us for the post of the President Student Council. It has been a very long journey for both of us. We have always aspired to lead the Student Council, and now our dream has finally come true because we have your support with us. We already have a lot of ideas and a plan in place to bring about positive changes. And as we begin with utmost zeal to work on these plans, we would like to say that yes, we are aware of the challenges brought about these unprecedented times, and we assure you that we will make our best efforts to ensure a smooth sailing year despite everything. We can present our aim through the popular quote.
sow an act and you reap habit. Sow a habit and you reap character. Sow a character and you reap destiny. We did not set out to be leaders. We simply set out to make changes every day. And that led us on a journey, as a result of which we stand here today as a President Student Council. A journey which is much more beautiful, majestic, magical and fulfilling than the goal and the result. And I would also like to take this opportunity to point out that I have had the absolute honor and privilege of leading you in all the posts possible. So thank you so much, and we will never disappoint you, and that's a word for you.
So let us enjoy
Let
this
us enjoy.
journey as we grow together and create beautiful memories. Thank you.
Thank you, Sia and Samarjit. I request Head of Sports, Aaron Johannes, to share his thoughts with us.
Namaste, respected Uttara ma'am, Sonali ma'am, Annapurna ma'am, respected teachers, and my fellow schoolmates. It is a proud privilege for me, Aaron Johannes, to address you as the head boy of Head of Sports 2020-21. First of all, I would like to give a special thanks to you, my friends, who elected me. You all elected me, but I believe that not I, but each of you is a leader, and everyone have a hidden quality inside of you. So now each and every one of us, including me, are going to figure out our quality and are going to make it reach its peak. Sports to me means something into which you give your all, whether that's training with your team, your own personal training, being with friends, family, siblings, your homework, or your career, whatever it is. It matters that you try your very best in that moment and do all that you can do to be in the best shape going into that game. You give your all for that game and you do everything you possibly can to win. But after the game, the result doesn't matter. But what matters is what we learn from it. And you should not lose yourself in it and keep worrying about what happened. Sports should be about competitors going hard at each other during the match and punishing each other for the win, and then indulging in friendly banter afterwards and a few laughs. Everything is not about winning. It is about being together as a team and giving in your best. I am aware of these unusual times and the fact that we cannot predict how long this will go on. It is not in our control, but what we can control is to make best utilization of this time, and I assure you, we will keep our spirits up no matter what. And to work towards it, I have planned to conduct sessions regarding physical health and basic concepts and knowledge about every sport we play in the school. And just so now, let's look forward to matches, tournaments, and work as a team. And then trust me, losing a match won't be too disappointing. क्योंकि हारे तो साथ में हारे, उस हार को हम साथ में आगे जाके जीतने बदलेंगे. Now let us pray to get back to school, and trust me, we will soon enjoy school with no cancellation of PE periods while giving due importance to studies as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron. The head of activities, Medha Sood, is now requested to deliver her speech.
Namaste everyone. I am Medha Sood of class 11, and now I am also your head of activities. First things first, I just want to convey my gratitude to all the students who believed in me and voted for me. I will not let you down. Last year, these shoes were filled by immensely competent and worthy feet. I have a lot to live up to, and I am determined to do so. This year, there are a lot of things we can't do because we're all homebound. But every cloud has a silver lining, including this one. With our entire institution going online, for the efficiency of which I commend and applaud our teachers, we are presented with a new set of ideas. For example, this virtual investiture ceremony. A few months ago, nobody would have thought this possible. This academic year, look out for some major virtual bonding in the form of online tournaments and competitions. I am enthusiastic to see where this abnormal year leads us. To a good place, I hope, and I am here for each and every one of you. To conclude, I would just like to say that in these trying times, alone we will survive, but together we will grow. Thank you.
Thank you, Medha. The head of Paryavaran Club, Ranshika Rathore, will now share her thoughts with us.
Namaste and a warm welcome to all present here. I, Ranshika Rathore, thanks all of you for electing me as the new Paryavaran head of the batch 2020-21. Before I move ahead, I would like to express what an honor it is to stand here and be able to express myself. It is not every day that we students get the opportunity to voice ourselves in front of the whole school. This year has brought with it many surprises. Everything around us has changed. Everything around us, even outside our windows, in our homes and ourselves too. The Paryavaran Club too has changed. It will not be the same club everyone thought it was. Over the years, there has been a misconception that the Paryavaran or environment just concerns the plants and animals. But in fact, the Paryavaran or the environment just means the surroundings or the conditions in which a person, plant or an animal lives. Now that includes everything around us, including you and me. It is my duty not only to make everyone more self-aware, but it is also to bring change. My role does not end here with being the Paryavaran head, but I am also a friend you can always count on. Before ending my speech, I would ask everyone to take a pledge that we will take care of our environment and learn from the mistakes we made in the past in order to move forward to a greener future. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Ranshika. The head of editorial board, Tanay Nirula, is now requested to address the gathering. Tanay, please unmute yourself first.
Mommy is unmuted.
Okay.
Namaste and a very good morning, my respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I had thought that 2020 being my last year in school, I would make it the most memorable one of my school life. But little was I aware how the future would unfold in the ensuing months and literally change the world for everyone. Today, it is a very nostalgic moment for me as I recall my student life in the Sriram Millennium School, Faridabad, soon to be my alma mater that has helped me grow as a person who is ready to face the world outside the comfort and affection given by my teachers, without whose continued support, love, and care, my school journey would have not been so memorable. I thank each one of you. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude and thanks to everyone who supported me and elected me for this privileged position for the fourth time in a row. And I look forward to working with all my fellow students and assure each one of you that I will handle this responsibility with utmost honesty and sincerity. I wish to maintain harmony between the editorial board, teachers, and students so that we can create an excellent Shri Patrika that we as a school are proud of. Words. It is said to have the energy, the power, and the ability to help, to heal, to hurt, to harm, to humiliate, and to love. And we should believe in the power of words and use them wisely. As Friedrich Nietzsche once said, all I need is a piece of paper and something to write with, and then I can change the world, turn the world upside down. So, believe in yourself and the power to bring in the change. A huge thank you to everyone who believed in me. And here's to a COVID-ridden year ahead and an amazing Sri Patrika. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanay. The captain and vice captain of Shaurya House, Chehal Daga and Anandita Agarwal, will now deliver their acceptance speech.
Leadership is not about walking alone and achieving success, but about taking everyone along. Namaste everyone. I, Chehal Daga, House Captain of Shaurya House.
And I, Anandita Agarwal, Vice Captain, Shaurya House,
are very grateful to all our teachers for showing trust in us and for all our students for supporting the decision. We'll begin our acceptance speech with a heart of gratitude and this prayer for all of us.
Astoma, Sadgamaya, Tamsoma, Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma, Amritam, Gamaya.
A leader must be unbiased and bold in taking a decision. Take more of responsibility and less of credit, and most importantly, aim for all-round development for each and every student. Thus, keeping the ideals of a leader in mind, we promise to fulfill all our duties with full determination and also keeping the zeal and fun alive. We will always encourage you to keep on trying and not giving up.
We will strive to take our house to great heights and work together with the house members. We will be sensitive and inclusive in our approach. We will work towards the betterment of the school and will uphold the values. We will try to express the concerns of the student body and help make school a more enjoyable environment for all. We have great dreams for our house, and together, definitely we will fulfill them. A team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's join our hands together to work with team spirit in the betterment of our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Chehal and Anandita. Akshat Khanna and Vrinda Arora, captain and vice captain of Shakti House, will now deliver their speeches.
Namaste everyone. I, Akshat Khanna, Captain of Shakti House,
And I, Vrinda Arora, Vice Captain of Shakti House,
take this opportunity to thank you for electing us for our respective posts. As someone rightly said, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is success. And we strongly believe that all of us together can keep this house to achieve greater possibilities. In the coming year, we would surely aim to win many competitions and perform our best. But more than that, as your captains, we want you to know that We are not above you or below you, but we are always with you.
Lastly, we want you to know that we may not always be the best. Not each one of us may always win, but no failure ever would be great enough to reduce our passion, love, and responsibilities towards our house and school. For us, having integrity within us is way more crucial, and we promise to always support you, encourage you, and be together at all times. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshat and Brinda. Rev Ojha and Vedika Gupta, Captain and Vice Captain of Pratibha House, will now share their thoughts.
Namaste, respected Shri Shikshaks and dear Shri Mitra. I, Rev Ojha, House Captain of Pratibha,
and I, Vedika Gupta, Vice Captain Pratibha House,
are thankful to everyone present here for having supported our candidacy. More than a badge, this role for us would mean to make a positive difference around us. We would want to build on the fun and success we had last year by keeping our spirits up and charged. Albeit there are big shoes to fill, we will together try our best to carry on our winning house point streak. Yes, teamwork makes the dream work.
one's philosophy is not best expressed in words. It is expressed in the choices one makes, and the choices we make are ultimately our responsibility. We assure you that we'll do our best to stand true to the trust that you have in us. To our teachers, we will make sure that we fulfill our duties with utmost sincerity under your constant guidance and support. To our housemates, we will make sure that we work together hand in hand as a team to make Pratibha House great again, seeing our house flag fluttering high. Thank you for listening to us.
Thank you, Rev and Vedika. We now move on to Pratigya House. I call upon Rucha Virmani, Captain Pratigya House, and Tarushi Dahia, Vice Captain Pratigya House, to deliver their acceptance speech.
Namaste.
I am Rucha Parmani, the captain of Pratigya House.
And I, Tarushi Daya, Vice Captain of Pratigya House.
We sincerely thank our teachers and the students for the continuous faith and support you have shown in us. We assure you that we will put in our very best to live up to your expectations, to be good role models and understanding leaders, whom you can approach with all the suggestions you have without any hesitation. Just the way the leaves, roots, and stem of a tree work together as one inseparable unit to produce the sweet fruit of success, all of us will work together as a single inseparable family to better our best, to groom our skills and bring glory to our house. And both of us will be there for you at every step of the way, helping you to get up when you fall, to overcome all obstacles and be the best you can be.
We will make sure that all of you are treated equally and will be the voice of the student body. I think we can all easily say that the year of 2020 has not been an easy one. We have gone into this year so many despairs and disagreements. Times have changed, and I think the uncertainty of our situation is what is making us struggle through this a lot more. Something to keep in mind when thinking about 2020 and all the troubles and hardships we face this year is the fact that we are all in this together. We should embrace this time by spreading love, support, and kindness to our friends, family, and strangers. So let's join our hands to grow, to develop, and to face all obstacles with sheer strength, resilience, and fortitude. Let us look into ourselves, extract the talent that we wish to polish and work on it, so that we may take our house to great heights and keep the Shri flag flying high. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Rucha and Tarushi. Leaders are not born, but are made by their experiences in life. We look ahead to a year full of challenges and excitement, and our hearts are filled with joy knowing that we are ably led by a team of committed and enthusiastic leaders. We request Annapurna ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Annapurna ma'am, could you please unmute yourself, please?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Nandini ma'am. I'm so glad to say that despite all the apprehension that goes into organizing a virtual event of unavoidable technical glitches and audio or video lags that one would want to do without, the effort that went into our first virtual investiture ceremony deserves a huge round of applause. May I request you to unmute yourselves for a moment and put your hands together for all the people who made this possible. Thank you. Thank you. Children, for helping us do this virtually. You patiently allowed your teachers to guide you through the whole process, even helping us navigating our way through technology at times. We do believe that with your commitment, all the dreams you spoke of today will be realized. Thank you, parents. Your presence today and the part you played in this ceremony was undoubtedly the best thing to happen. Thank you, teachers, our student welfare advisor, Nandini ma'am, the key activity coordinators, Payal ma'am, Anjali ma'am, performing arts teachers, Partha sir, Malong sir, and all the teachers who have supported us in various ways as we endeavor to make this virtual event possible. Now, a heartfelt thank you to all our special guests from SEL schools. We are indeed very grateful that we could open up this event for everyone to see today, and also from Shri Educare Limited, our SMTs from across campuses, and gratitude especially to Anuradha ma'am, whose contribution to the journey of our newly invested leaders must not go without mention. We are indeed honored to have you here with us today. Thank you. And now, thank you. And now we will rise in pride for our school song, followed by the national anthem. I would request Payal ma'am to please share the slide. Thank you.
Before the song, can I take the opportunity of congratulating each one of you, the students, the teachers, Sonali ma'am, Annapurna ma'am, Uttara ma'am, for a fantastic ceremony. It was a pleasure being here.
Thank you, ma'am. So you are always with us in spirit.
Absolutely.
And we miss you. Thank you for joining us, and you made it extra special for our children by being there always.
It was
Thank
a
you.
pleasure.
We also have with us Jyoti ma'am and team of teachers from TSUS Hyderabad who joined in the middle of the investiture ceremony. So very, very warm welcome to you as well, Jyoti ma'am, and hope you enjoyed the show. We will all get ready for the school song now.
का ध्वज हम लिए हाथ में आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, इसलिए हम सब कर्मों का जग रोशन कर जाएंगे। का ध्वज हम लिए हाथ में आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, इसलिए हम सब कर्मों का जग रोशन कर जाएंगे। विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्। देश है अभिमान सदा हम इसकी शान बढ़ाएंगे, कदमों में विश्वास सदा हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। सद्भाव परिश्रम है लिए हम ज्ञान का दीप जलाएंगे, सद्भाव परिश्रम है लिए हम ज्ञान का दीप जलाएंगे। हर मुश्किल से टकरा कर आकाश को छूते जाएंगे। विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्। वो युग का आरंभ हम से युग पर छाते जाएंगे, अपने इस विद्यालय से हम एक इतिहास बनाएंगे, देकर लाख सफलताएं कहलाएंगे। अपने संस्कारों से हम इसके समान बढ़ाएंगे। विद्या ददाति विनयम, विद्या ददाति विनयम, विद्या ददाति विनयम, विद्या ददाति विनयम। स्वाभिमान से ऊंचा सिर हो, संस्कृति पर हो गर्व सदा, ये बात एक दूजे का हम जीवन पथ पर चले सदा। कर्म भरा हो प्रतिभा से हम शौर्य से जोत जगाएंगे। कर्म भरा हो प्रतिभा से हम शौर्य से जोत जगाएंगे। प्रेम हमारी शक्ति बनेगा, प्रतिज्ञा भी निभाएंगे। विद्या ददाति विनयम, 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 विद्या ददाति विनयम। जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जाने, तव शुभ आशीष हमारे, गाए तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है, जय है, जय है, जय 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 है।
Congratulations to the newly elected Student Council 2020-21, and thank you parents for joining us today and inspiring the new leaders. Children, you may now leave the virtual room. Thank you.